Good morning, children. I welcome to your EVS class. Okay, I am Pooja Pillai. I teach EVS in Vivekananda Public School. As you know, before in previous class, I have taken your EVS class, and what we have discussed? We have discussed our EVS first chapter, that is about myself. And in that class, what we have discussed? We have discussed about what? How to introduce yourself to others. Okay, I hope that you have learned that points. Yes, what are the points? That, tell me everyone, greet, how to greet, then your name, then your age, then your school, then your what locality, family, then about your aim, then likes, dislikes. Okay, these were the points to introduce yourself. Okay, so but today we will come to this chapter number 1 about myself. In this, first, you know everyone, just your textbook, your EVS book is this one. You have to take out your EVS book. In first page, see everyone, look, in first page there is a what? There is a picture and it is written some lines about yourself. Please fill these lines about yourself. You have to fill what is your name means my name is, then my birthday is on. You have to write here date of birth, your date of birth, and I live with my, of course, family. You will write family. My mother's name, your mother's name, and your father's name. Okay, here two pictures are given to you that I have grown taller than you. What? Now I have grown taller than you. Again, next picture, I am a big boy as I have a baby sister now. Okay, so in this picture, in both the pictures, what they are discussing about how they are growing taller and how they are big now because they have a small sister. So I will show you two pictures. I will draw two pictures for you. For example, just a minute. So you can see this is a baby. Okay, what? A baby. Okay, a baby is crawling. Okay, a baby is crawling. What? A baby is crawling. He is crawling. But now, if I will show you a picture, for example, if I will show you, see everyone. Okay, so this is the picture of that same boy. Okay, let it be, this is the picture of that same boy. Okay, pictures I have shown you of a boy. Here, this one, here he is walking, means crawling, and here he is standing. Now tell me why these two pictures are different. Why? Because this is the picture when he was very small, when he was a kid. He was a baby. Okay, when he was a baby. This is a baby. Okay, now he is a kid. Okay, now he is a kid. So this was the picture of what? Now when he was baby, and this is a picture when he is kid now. Okay, so here he doesn't know how to what? He doesn't know how to stand or how to what? How to walk. He only can crawl. But before this, when he was when he was a very small baby, he used to only cry, but he cannot crawl also. Next he can crawl, but after this what he can stand, he can walk. In this he can only crawl, but in this he can walk, he can stand. Okay, so this is the growth period. This is your growth. Okay, when you were small, you were like a baby. You don't know how to walk or how to talk. You don't know. But when you gradually just grows up, then when you become a kid or when you grows year by year, when you become older, then only you can walk, you can talk, you can stand. You learn how to stand and you learn how to talk. Okay, so now this is your growing up. This is all about your growing up. When you were small, you don't know how to do the things, but when you grow up year by year or when you become older, day by day, you used to learn many things. Okay, so this is called your grown up. Next, when you were baby, when you were baby, you wear the clothes. Okay, you wear, for example, he is wearing the banyan, and okay, next he is wearing this clothes. Can this boy wear this dress? No, he can't wear this dress because now he is grown up. This dress can make him uncomfortable because that dress is small for him. Yes or no? And if this baby will wear this kid's dress, no, because this dress is too big or too large for this baby. This dress is too large for this baby. Okay, so when you grows up, your clothes also become what? Small. Your shoes become small. Okay, so these are the signs when your clothes become small, your shoes become small. Okay, and your height raises, your weight grows. On that, from these points, you can know what? You can know that you are growing up. Okay, what you can know? That you are now growing up. Okay. So now everyone just take out your book and see this page. Okay, see this page, everyone. This page is you complete these sentences. What? Now I am dash years old. Now you have to mention here how old are you. Okay, how old are you? Next is my weight is. Now you have to mention your weight here. I have dash sister or brother. How many sisters or brothers you have? You have to mention here. For example, if I have one sister and one brother, I will mention that one sister and one brother. Next, what is your shoe size? You have to mention your shoe size here and your height. Next, it is given that as you grow older, we learn new things. Okay, so these are the tasks Now you have to just tick the task which you know. For example, I can read. If you are able to read the books, then you can put a tick mark here that yes, I can read book. Next is I can ride a bike. What? I can ride a bike. If you can ride a bike, you can put a tick mark. If you can't, you will put a cross mark. Okay. Next is I can tie my shoelaces. What? I can tie my shoelaces. If you are able to tie your shoelaces, you will put a tick mark. And if you are not able to tie your shoelaces, your mother or your father helps you, then you will put a cross mark. I can brush my teeth. Okay, if you are able to brush your teeth yourself, you can put a tick mark. Otherwise, what you will do? You can't. You will write cross. Okay, you will just put a cross mark. Next, we will come to that. The next part is your we are special. What? We are special. How we are special? What you will see? Now see, when just first look around yourself. Look around yourself. Look at your class, your classmates. As your face looks like the same as your friend's face. No, that are different. Yes or no? Yes, they are different. You look, each and every one looks different from other. Each and every one looks different from each other. Okay? So what? Now every child looks differ. Every child looks different from other. Yes or no? Yes, they look different. Okay, so as each one likes different things. And also tell me, if Sanjana likes pink color, is it necessary that Seema will like also pink color? No, everyone's likes and dislikes are different. So they also like different things. Yes or no? They also like different things. So each one is special. And so each one is special. Okay, you all are special. You all are different from others, but you all are special. Now we will come to hobbies. Now tell me hobbies. That you used to say that I love to cycling, or I love to draw pictures, I love to read storybooks. That is your hobbies. Which hobbies are the activities which you like to do in your free time? Whenever you have schools, you have your homeworks, yes or no? But whenever you get free time, you like to do drawing pictures or dancing. These are your hobbies. Okay, that is known as hobbies. So what is the definition of hobby? Now hobby is an activity. It is given in your book also. And a hobby is an activity that we like to do in our free time. Okay, so what is a hobby? Now a hobby is an activity that we like to do in our free time. So my hobby is to draw pictures. Okay, so whenever I get a free time, I used to draw different pictures, different sceneries. And now it's your homework. You have to tell that in your free times, what are your hobbies, what you like to do. Okay, so these are about your hobbies. Okay, the things that we like become our favorite things. Okay, you know that as for example, your mother used to make so many dishes. Yes or no? For example, chili paneer. Yes or no? Your chili chicken you like. Yes or no? Chili chicken also you like. and what, sweet corn, and etc. Means other things are also there which you like, which you love, which is your favorite dish. That is your favorite. Okay, favorite means the thing which you like the most, that becomes your favorite. What, the things which you like or which you love the most, that is your favorite things. Okay, so let me give you the definition. Everyone note it in your books, copies. Okay, the things which we like becomes our what? Becomes our favorite thing. It becomes our favorite thing. So this is about your favorite. So please read it again. What is that? Now the things which we like become our favorite thing. Okay, so like that, some things make us happy and something make us sad also. Whenever you get some highest marks in your classes, you become very happy. Whenever you get worse marks, that you feel sad. Yes or no? And also when you get a new cycle as a gift, you also become sad? No, you become happy. So what is the facial expression of happiness? Yes, like this. When you become happy, your face looks like this, and whenever you become sad, your face looks like this. Yes or no? Which one is the good one? This one is the good one. Yes or no? So these are the things about your first chapter. Now what are the hobbies, how you grow up, and what are your favorite things, and how you are special among different children. Okay, so each and every one is special. Today what we have learned that how we grow up, what is the difference when we grow up, how we learn different things. When we used to grow up, we learn more and more things. Next, what? Now hobby, the activities that we love to do in our free time, that is our hobbies, and the things which we love the most, that is our favorite things. Yes or no? And when we get a surprise or we became happy, but when the worst thing happens with us, we become sad. This is the feeling which we share. Yes or no? So today we have learned all these things. So this part is your second part. We have learned all these things. In next part we will do all the question answers related to this chapter. Okay, so up to that. Okay, so bye everyone, enjoy your day, be safe, be happy.